Okay, today I purchased this Greenworks Pro 60 volt 5 amp with battery charger, battery included, from Lowe's. I got it on sale. I've been wanting one of these, and they finally put them on sale, so a clearance sale. So I'm going to unbox the thing and see if I can get it to work. I've been kind of wanting one of these for a while, but they're very expensive, and I don't like to spend a lot of money on something that I already have taken care of. I've got a nice lawnmower. I mean, it's dirty as everything, but hey, it works great. It's several years old, but it works great. All right. I'll just start taking some of this stuff out. Set it over here out of the way. It does bagging, mulching, or just side discharge. So there's the manuals, in case you have to read that, which I probably won't, but I've watched some reviews on the internet, on YouTube, and it seems pretty easy. Now let's see what's going on here. Let's see what this is. I think this is the battery. Hard to do this with one hand. Okay. What appears to be a new battery. It appears to be on there. There's a little side discharge chute, and hopefully this is the charger. When I was on my way to pick it up, I couldn't remember if this thing included a charger. I thought, oh, I bought this thing online, and I didn't even look to see if it had a charger, but it does, so that'd be great. All right, well, piece of cake, right? Now what I probably cannot do is I probably cannot lift this with one hand, because it weighed 80-something pounds. Ooh, yeah, it's heavy. Okay, I'll have to put it down, get it out of the box, and start a new video.